Hello, it's time to learn a shuffle. This step has 3 very distinct sounds. See if you can hear them. Here's what it looks like. I'm excited to teach shuffles to you. Let's go. Before we start learning the shuffle, let's do a little exercise to help us learn how to do it. What we're going to do, we're always going to have our hands on our hips, wrists straight, don't bring them in and don't drop them down. We're going to pick up our foot, we're going to touch the floor twice and step down. Touch, touch, step. You should be touching right out in front of you. Touch, touch, step. Touch, touch, step. Touch, touch, step. This is the same basic pattern for the shuffle, but instead of touching, we're going to brush the floor. So try that. Touch a few times. We're going to touch, 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 touch. And brushing, we're going to put our foot forward and back. So I'm still engaging my ankle, but we're going forward and back. You want to think of it like you're brushing the floor, like you're painting. Brush, brush. And notice that this upper leg part isn't moving, but the lower is a lot. You want to keep it small. You don't want to be doing this. Okay? So let's try that a few times. We're going to pick up our right foot. We're going to go brush, brush, step. Left foot, brush, brush, step. Make sure you're using your ankle. Brush, brush, step. Brush, brush, step. Keep the upper leg still and just move the bottom leg. Brush, brush, step. You should get some distinct sounds when you go forward, back, step. 3 sounds. Brush, brush, step. This is the shuffle step. The way that you get those really distinct sounds is engaging your ankle. If my ankle is not being engaged, you're not hearing it as clearly as when I brush, brush, step. Brush, brush, step. Use your ankle to touch the floor. Okay, and that's the shuffle step. So let's do it a few times. We're going to start with our left foot. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Brush, brush, step. Pause. Brush, brush, step. Pause. Brush, brush, step. Pause. Brush, brush, step. Pause. The reason we pause is to help with those counts, because there's 8 counts, but there's 6 moves. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try that with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. This move is used a ton in clogging. It's one of those basic steps you just need to have down. A lot of people also call this a double step. So if you hear it referred to as a double step, shuffle step, same thing. Some people think double step. But I learned it as shuffle step, so that's what we're going to do. Let's do it a few more times, really slow, and then a little bit faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Something you can do to help you with this step is just practice tapping. Whether you're at the grocery store, shopping, if you're just sitting at your desk, getting that ankle movement is going to help a lot in clogging, and especially in this step. That ankle movement is really important when you're shuffling. Okay, let's do it a little bit faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. That is a shuffle step. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.